Absolutely well structured day, really interesting, fab day.
Phenomenal day, very poignant, very enjoyable, a lot from today that we can take forward in the future practices of our nurses.
So I thought the day was absolutely brilliant. I loved the talk on communication and also about the advanced care planning, and we're taking all of those elements back into practice.
I thought the day was really enjoyable. I really enjoyed the patient story. It helps you to relate to your practice and just it makes it real, because words they don't often mean anything until there's a patient behind it. Really enjoyed it.
I thought it was excellent. It was really engaging, and there was a really well balanced audience as well. I would say that, feedback like this needs to be shared with the Ombudsman, because it is good practice from the organisation, and we're criticised when we don't share and close the loop, but actually we've got evidence that we do it. When we do it really well.
Brilliant day, really educational, really thought-provoking. Can't give enough credit to them. What a fabulous day, and let's hope they put on lots more.
I thought the day was absolutely tremendous. It exceeded my expectations, and many people I've spoken to are actually saying the same thing as well. We thoroughly loved the theme from a complaint and how we were able to learn throughout the session, throughout each of the workshops and the groups, and it was well worth spending the time today. So I'd just like to say thank you very much for everybody that's organised it. They've done a great job, and I've got time to reflect now on some of the areas of my responsibility. Thank you all.